What's up, guys? I'm Jacob, managing broker of the Signature Realty Red Bank office. Today is the day. It's a grand opening. Super excited with all the agents here in Monmouth County, Ocean County, even Middlesex County. We're located right in the center of Red Bank, right by the train station, super close to all the restaurants. Let's go check out the inside. We have all the vendors today, the best DJ. We got ice pops.
Hi, we're with Paletas & Co. We do open houses, barbecues and weddings. The best ice pops you can find in the area. All natural, no chemicals, no dyes, zero sugar, just fresh fruit and water.
Hey everyone, my name is DJ Dimalites. I do weddings, corporate events, private events, you name it. I take care of the crowd and make sure everybody's happy.
So the music was great, the atmosphere was awesome, and people were having a lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining us. And that's a wrap, guys. We had a great turnout. All the vendors were here. We had the best music, the best ice pops. Thank you for everybody who came out. Any agent who's looking to make a switch, definitely consider joining Signature Realty. We have all the exposure, all the mentorship you need. So reach out today, exploresignature.com.